Two apps to get free virtual temporary number for your WhatsApp verification, Telegram verification, or any other online verification. So number one app is, now let's go to Play Store. Let's go to Play Store now. At the search bar of Play Store, let's write temp number. Let's write temp number and lots of app will pop up. Now this is the app that we are going to install. This app personally gave me a free USA number. So once you are done with the installation, tap open and it is going to bring us here. This is the interface of this app. On this app, you can get a free virtual number in two ways, either through the public numbers or through the private numbers. I'm going to show you how to get a free USA number through the public number before I show you how to get a free USA number through the private number. Now let's tap at these public numbers and it brings us here. Now as you can see, apart from a free USA number, you can also get a free UK number, Canada, Belgium, Poland, Puerto Rico, France, and the list goes on and on. In this tutorial, let's use US as a point of reference. Now let's tap at this United States and it brings us here. So as you can see, lots of free US number. You can choose any of your choice, but I advise you to choose the one with the red logos. Now let's choose this second one and it is going to bring us here. Now all you have to do is tap here to copy this number. Now go to your WhatsApp or Telegram and paste it. Now to get your code, come back here. Now scroll down. This is where you are going to get your code. But the issue with this public number is that most of the numbers have been overused and as a result might not receive verification SMS. So if you are not lucky with the public numbers, then try the private numbers. Now let's go back so we can try the private numbers. But the problem with this private number is that you have to perform some tasks to earn coin. And to earn these coins, it is not easy. You need 400 coins. You have to perform task after task and it is very stressful. But the numbers here in these private numbers is reliable compared to the public numbers. Now, if you tap at these private numbers, now let's tap at this United States and it brings us here. Now, as you can see, there are prices attached to all these numbers. Now to get these private numbers for free, like I said initially, you have to perform some tasks. So let's go back. Now to perform your tasks to earn these free coins, to have access to a free number from this private number, now simply tap at this free coin center and it is going to bring us here. So it brings us here. Now as you can see, it says claim your free temp number. So once you have performed your tasks and you have gotten up to 400 coins, you can now claim a free temp number from that private number. Now your first task is open mixed-tree boss. Now tap at this open mixed-tree boss and it brings us here. Now as you can see, it says open the box and see the surprise inside. It's filled with fun and exciting things just for you. Now simply tap at this open now. Any amount of coins that you see, it's your luck. Now once you've performed these tasks, now let's go back. Now the next task is check in daily. Now tap at this check in daily to earn 1 coins every single day that you tap at that check in daily. Now as you can see, it says daily check in progress. It says check in every day to earn more coins, reach 400 coins and get a free USA number. Don't miss out. Now the next task is watch and earn rewards. Now tap at this watch and earn rewards, watch ads and earn free coins. The next task is spin the wheel. Now tap at this spin the wheel. Now tap at spin. Any amount of coins that you earn is your luck. You might earn 0 coins, you might earn 1, 2 or 20 coins. Now let's go back. The next task is share on Facebook. Now once you've performed all your tasks and you have gotten up to 400 coins, you can now have access to a free USA number from the private number. Now let's go back. Now let's tap at this private numbers and it brings us here. Now tap at this US and it brings us here. Now as you can see, there are prices attached to each of these numbers, and if you want to earn this number for free, you have to perform your tax. And once you've performed your tax and you have gotten up to 400 coins, you can now have access to a free USA number from that private number. Is as simple as that. So the second app to get a free temp number is the Get Code. Now let's go to Play Store to install the app Get Code. Now let's go to Play Store. Now at the search bar of Play Store, let's write Get Code. Let's write Get Code. Now this is the app Get Code. Now once you are done with the installation, tap open and it is going to bring you here. Now just like temp number, now you can get a free temp number from this Get Code by performing some tasks. Now if you look below, as you can see, we have home, we have service, we have balance, we have support, we have profile. Now if you tap at service, now let's tap at service and this app will pop up. Now if you need a number that you can use to verify your WhatsApp, simply tap at this WhatsApp and it is going to bring you here. Now as you can see, you just need 5 coins to have access to a free number that you can use to verify your WhatsApp. Now let's go back. For Telegram, now tap at this Telegram. As you can see, we need just 6 coins, and to get these 6 coins for free, we have to perform some tasks. And to perform your tasks, now let's go back. Now look below and tap at this profile. Now once you've tapped at profile, now tap at this end center. Now once you've tapped at this end center, it brings you here. As you can see, our task is watching 20 ads daily. So once you have performed your task and you have gotten up to the required coins, you can now have access to a free number. Now let's assume that I want to verify my Telegram. Now let's go back. Now look below, tap at services. Now once you've tapped at services, it brings you here. Now tap at Telegram. Now once you've tapped at Telegram, it brings you here. Now tick here. Now look below, tap below, follow the remaining on-screen instruction to have access to a free USA number that you can use to verify your Telegram. Is as simple as that. And please take note, the coins is not guaranteed. It depends on tax availability and how the platform verifies completion. So results vary.